Gentlemen, I am happy to be present here and to open the Indian Film Festival today. I am very happy to see before me great masters and men and women of the industry, not only of India but of several other countries in the world. Among the four pillars of the mass media communication, the press, the radio, the television, and the cinema. Cinema plays an important and significant role in developing feelings of national unity and international cooperation. Films made on themes of social importance will go a long way in developing mutual friendship and understanding among different countries of the world. I hope you know of the important role the older generation cinemas have played in bringing a good name to our country even at the international levels. Unfortunately, for some reason or the other, the standard has fallen down. This has been mainly due to commercialization of the film industry as a whole. Present day film making is fully aimed at getting quick profits rather than on giving good meanings of social and educational importance to the public. At this time, I would request everyone employed in the industry to keep the national objectives in mind before making a cinema. They should produce films which would educate the masses and on a sound basis and thus provide their best for national profit. Making of art films is to be given all the support. Low cost films should always try to entertain the people with themes of social importance. I am sure that the film festivals like this will bring the producer and the viewer nearer so that significant improvements are possible on all sides of the industry. I have now great pleasure in opening this film festival and in wishing it all success. Thanks for the opportunity.